Here we see an example of how you fall back to MAC Authentication Bypass. What happens here is you've got your EAP login requests. Notice that these are being sent by the authenticator towards the endpoint. Now, when you send this message out, you wait, and after a timer expires, you send it again, and after that timer expires, you send it again, and then eventually you say, well, I guess 802.1x isn't going to work. At that point, we listen for a packet to come in, we look at the MAC address, of course, this is the source address in the Ethernet frame, and we punt that to our radius server. If the radius server has a definition, it goes, oh, I know that MAC address, sure. Here's our attribute value pair, which gives us the name of a downloadable ACL. Sometimes people call it a DACL. That DACL would be downloaded. It gets pushed from your radius server down to the switch and then applied to this port. So after the authorization, which occurred based on MAC addresses, we can allow a greater level of access into the network. See how that failback occurred, but we still were able to do dynamic authorization? Again, once that's done, we can perform our accounting, which is just the records of what's occurred. We also have the concept of a guest VLAN.